Imagine investing in Amazon or Apple before their trillion-dollar explosions. Right now, NVIDIA is making a trillion-dollar AI move, one that's about to redefine the investing landscape forever. Jensen Huang just dropped news so big that General Motors, Disney, and BlackRock are staking their futures on it. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why top investors say NVIDIA could become the biggest investment opportunity of our lifetime. Before we dive into how NVIDIA is changing the game, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. We break down the coolest AI and stock market news you can't afford to miss. Now, let's get to it. And just so we're clear, this isn't speculation. This comes directly from Jensen Huang's keynote speech at the 2025 GTC conference and his exclusive CNBC interview. During his 2025 GTC presentation, Jensen Huang revealed NVIDIA's ambitious roadmap to create a staggering $1 trillion AI infrastructure. Right now, we're about $150 billion into this massive global shift, and Jensen says it's just the beginning. In just the last year, AI evolved rapidly, becoming more advanced, smarter, and integrated into almost every major industry. Jensen emphasized clearly that we're entering a new era, one where digital intelligence shapes everything around us, including autonomous driving technologies, financial markets and predictive analytics, revolutionary healthcare innovations, advanced cybersecurity systems. Every single industry is being reshaped by artificial intelligence, and NVIDIA is at the very heart of this transformation, laying down the foundational technology that the entire world will soon rely on. At the core of NVIDIA's trillion-dollar breakthrough is their groundbreaking AI processor, unquestionably the largest, most advanced, and most expensive AI chip ever created. In his recent CNBC interview, Jensen openly acknowledged this chip's high cost, but highlighted clearly why it's more than worth it. Processes previously taking weeks now complete in hours. Tasks that cost millions in computing power now finish instantly. This isn't just another tech upgrade. It's a quantum leap in efficiency, fundamentally reshaping how businesses operate worldwide. Jensen put it simply. NVIDIA's chips pay for themselves almost immediately, saving companies enormous amounts of time and money. Here's where NVIDIA completely shifts the paradigm. Their new AI infrastructure doesn't just save money. It actively generates new revenue streams through something called tokenization. Jensen carefully explained that NVIDIA's AI systems create digital tokens that represent AI-generated solutions and insights, automation processes, and optimized decisions. Businesses using NVIDIA's infrastructure can monetize these tokens directly, selling or trading them to create entirely new business models. This moves AI from a major expense category into an enormous revenue generator. It's no wonder companies are rushing to partner with NVIDIA. The financial implications are staggering. Immediately after Jensen's announcements, major global corporations declared NVIDIA key to their strategic future. General Motors confirmed integrating NVIDIA's AI technologies deeper into their next-gen autonomous vehicles. Disney is using NVIDIA's innovations to revolutionize content creation, entertainment, and theme park experiences. BlackRock and CrowdStrike are heavily leveraging NVIDIA's AI for predictive finance, cybersecurity, and risk management. In fact, all these global giants didn't merely mention NVIDIA. They explicitly stated Jensen Huang's vision is absolutely critical to their long-term business plans. But NVIDIA's ambitions don't stop there. Jensen also unveiled a bold, unprecedented strategy for scaling their AI supercomputers from thousands to millions, using advanced silicon photonics. This revolutionary technology lets NVIDIA interconnect millions of AI processors into an ultra-powerful, intelligent supernetwork. Think of it as the intelligent factory of the future, capable of producing digital intelligence at scale, reshaping industries, and redefining what we thought possible with AI. What about global manufacturing concerns, especially with recent US-China tensions and potential tariffs? Jensen addressed these clearly on CNBC, reassuring investors that NVIDIA is proactively diversifying manufacturing. They're working closely with TSMC, Foxconn, and Wistron to move chip manufacturing directly into the United States. Jensen confirmed confidently that tariffs won't meaningfully impact NVIDIA's growth or profit margins because their global strategy is robust, resilient, and diversified. Investors can rest easy knowing NVIDIA is fully prepared to thrive, no matter what global economic shifts occur. If you're serious about investing, this is your critical moment. NVIDIA isn't just another tech company. Jensen's announcements indicate it could become the single most significant investment opportunity of the next decade. Here's why. Massive demand for AI infrastructure. With global industries rushing to integrate AI, NVIDIA's solutions are in overwhelming demand. High demand means skyrocketing revenues, profitability, and stock appreciation potential. New token-based revenue model. NVIDIA's tokenization innovation transforms AI expenses into revenue streams, creating recurring income and sustained growth. This financial model radically boosts NVIDIA's long-term stock value. Unwavering institutional confidence. Corporations like GM, Disney, BlackRock, Cisco, and CrowdStrike have declared NVIDIA essential for their future success. Institutional backing often precedes stock booms, and NVIDIA's credibility with these titans indicates enormous investor confidence. Future-proof scaling potential. NVIDIA's plan to scale AI systems from thousands to millions guarantees massive growth potential, making NVIDIA one of the few companies poised for long-term dominance. This isn't just another tech hype. It's a realistic trillion-dollar opportunity unfolding before our eyes. With everything Jensen Huang revealed at GTC 2025 and the explosive growth in AI, many investors are now asking a crucial question. Let's look closely at the potential because the numbers are nothing short of astonishing. The global AI market size is expected to reach over in the next few years alone. NVIDIA, clearly leading the AI hardware and infrastructure race, is ideally positioned to capture a huge share of this market. Leading market analysts from Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan recently upgraded NVIDIA, with some price targets suggesting the possibility of the company becoming one of the largest tech companies by market capitalization within just a few years. Historically, companies that became foundational in new technology markets saw their stock prices multiply dramatically over a short span of years. We saw it with Amazon in e-commerce, Apple in smartphones, and Tesla in electric vehicles. NVIDIA is now positioning itself as the undisputed leader in AI infrastructure, signaling a very similar trajectory. Here's the takeaway. Investors who recognized those past opportunities early saw life-changing returns. NVIDIA, right now, is in that exact position within the AI revolution. And Jensen Huang made it crystal clear. If you're an investor looking for the next major growth opportunity, NVIDIA is undoubtedly one of the strongest candidates. The strategic partnerships, revolutionary tech, and strong financial backing clearly indicate a stock poised for incredible long-term growth. This is just the beginning of what's coming. AI is scaling at a speed we have never seen before, and NVIDIA is leading the charge. What do you think? Will NVIDIA continue to dominate AI, or will another company step in? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you haven't already, click that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the biggest updates on AI, stocks, and investing trends. They are not only shaping the future, they are lining your pockets, and I am here to help make that happen. Share this video with your friends and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.